the use of operating machines, including folding machines, laser cutters, welding machines, laminating machines, CNC machining centers, cutting machines, extruders, presses, shearing machines, sawing machines, milling machines, lathes, pillar drills and punching machines, involve specific risks that require careful and responsible management. Training and qualification. Operators must be specifically trained and qualified for the use of each machine. It is necessary to know the operating procedures, associated risks, and specific safety measures for each piece of equipment. Access to the user manuals and safety plans for the machines must be guaranteed. Personal protective equipment. Obligation to use adequate PPE for each job, including cut-resistant or heat-resistant gloves, depending on the operations. Protective glasses or visors against splinters, sparks, or particles. Safety shoes. Hearing protection in noisy environments. Fireproof overalls or aprons for operations with risk of overheating. Let's look at the requirements to keep in mind for some machine. Numerical control centers. Check the set program before starting the machine to avoid operating errors. Ensure that guards for moving parts are installed and functioning. Keep hands and body away from the operating area during the work cycle. Cutting machines. Use blades appropriate for the material to be cut and ensure that they are in good condition. Ensure that the workpiece is securely secured. Always wear protective glasses to prevent splinters. Extrusion machines. Check the operating temperature and ensure that the extruder is adequately ventilated. Avoid touching hot parts of the machine without using heat-resistant gloves. Check that the cooling systems are working correctly. Presses. Use two-hand safety switches or foot pedals to reduce the risk of entrapment. Check emergency stop devices regularly. Make sure the work area is clear of unnecessary objects. Shears. Position the material to be cut securely before starting the machine. Never attempt to remove pieces during the operating cycle. Check the operation of the movable guards. Sawing machines. Adjust the blade speed correctly according to the material to be cut. Use only blades in good condition, avoiding worn or damaged ones. Wear hand and eye protection. Milling machines. Hold the workpieces securely to prevent movement during the operation. Do not make adjustments or measurements while the machine is running. Check for safety screens. Lathes. Remove all personal accessories, rings, watches, etc. that could become entangled. Keep the work area free of workpiece debris. Use extraction systems to remove chips. Pillar drills. Hold the workpiece securely with a clamp or a clamping device. Never apply excessive pressure during the drilling operation. Turn off the drill before removing chips or adjusting the workpiece. Punching machines. Check that the punches and dies are in good condition and correctly installed. Avoid placing your hands in the punching area. Make sure that the machine is equipped with safety barriers. Maintenance and checks. Perform daily inspections to identify faults or anomalies. Follow the periodic maintenance schedule indicated by the manufacturer. Immediately stop using the machines in the event of malfunctions. Work areas. Clearly delimit the operating areas of each machine with visible signage. Ensure that only authorized personnel access the work areas. Keep the floor clean, dry and free from obstructions. Emergency procedures. Ensure that emergency stop buttons are easily accessible and functional. Train operators on how to shut down machines in an emergency. Provide each workstation with a first aid kit. Ergonomics. Adjust workstations based on the ergonomic needs of operators. Reduce the risk of fatigue by alternating operating activities. Provide adequate supports to prevent incorrect postures. The safe and efficient use of operating machines in a manufacturing plant depends on strict compliance with safety regulations. Ensuring a safe environment not only prevents accidents, but increases productivity and worker well-being. Safety must always be the priority. Security is not a document, it is a commitment. Your life and that of your colleagues are our goal. but also yours.